Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have another scent from Maison Anthony Marmin, Dubai. The scent name is Musk Bushi Sensei. So Sensei is actually the teacher in Japanese. Musk is actually Musk, and Bushi, I'm not sure, maybe it has more bigger eyebrows. Serious Sensei or teacher, I'm not sure. Anyhow, Bushi Sensei was there in I think Naruto, the anime character. So let's open this up and try to see how it actually, what it does. It has Himalayan musk, it has Osmanthus, it has wild subtle vanilla, rose. Let's try to see how it actually evolves. So there are a lot of notes listed, but when you try to wear it, there is an accord or the overall scent profile that actually is built. So you have to, oh, this is really nice. Oh, this is mesmerizing. This is a really lovely attar for women. I'm going to describe it. It is sensual, it is uplifting, it has a very lovely floral base that is like cold wet. Okay, so if you touch a rose and it has, it is in a cold weather, it has water on top of it, water droplets on top of it, and you are picking it up on moony night, at night, this is what you will get. Very lovely blend. So it is totally opposite from what I was thinking. I was thinking it to be serious, but it is kind of maybe Japanese touch or Japanese version of attar making. This is really lovely. Floral attar. There are very few floral blends I enjoy, and this I think is one of them. This is a masterpiece. I really love this one. It has very uplifting moonlight kind of rosy effect to it. It has the musk that is actually overpowering all these notes. Yes, musk is there in the background. Okay, so this is another, I think it is going to get 9 or maybe 10 out of 10. For scent profile. So if you are a woman, I really recommend this attar. I think even if I am man, I would really love to male or feminine, I think both men and women, I think both can wear this. But I would love it on a woman. This is really attractive, sensual, very floral, sweet, uplifting, wet, a bit cool kind of effect, and kind of mesmerizing, and maybe when you see some lady and she is wearing a purple scarf or something like that, and she passes from you and you get a very nice whiff of very sweet light perfume. That is the feeling I am getting. So very lovely attar. This is Bushi Sensei, Musk Bushi Sensei from Maison Anthony Marmin. I would rate it 9.5 or 9 out of 10. And performance wise, I think it has more projection. It is projecting a lot, so I would give like 8 out of 10 for the projection, or maybe 9 out of 10 for the performance. So I think it is going to be very good in performance, and also the scent profile is really lovely. Hats off to Maison Anthony Marmin and for this Musk Bushi Sensei. I hope you have enjoyed my review. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.